All right, so I've been working on this AI thing. This is now the kind of like a information desk. And normally you would just type and it would respond on type. But just for this, I'm using the audio because I can't hold my phone and type at the same time, etc. So, hi, I'm looking for services regarding photography. I'm going to sell my house. Can you help? So it's reading its retrieval-augmented data.
Congratulations on your decision to sell your house. I'd be happy to help you with photography services to showcase your property. At Eagle Lens Productions, we offer a range of photography services tailored to real estate, including aerial photography, virtual tours, and more. For a real estate listing, I recommend starting with our basic photography services. This includes high-quality photos of the exterior and interior of your home, which will give potential buyers a great first impression. Our photographers will work with you to ensure the property is prepared for the shoot and will deliver stunning photos that will help sell your home. Would you like to know more about our basic photography services, or would you like to explore our other options that include aerial photography or virtual tours?
Let's start with the basic, something that is just photography.
Our basic photography services include 20 high-quality photos of your property, both interior and exterior. We'll work with you to ensure the property is prepared for the shoot, and our photographers will capture the best angles to showcase your home. If you'd like to proceed with our basic photography services, I can provide you with more details on pricing and package options.
Okay, so that's 20 pictures. What would be the next level up? Something that has 20 pictures and I don't know. I saw something about you mentioned drone photography, or why don't you start by telling me what services in general do you have?
Our basic photography package includes 20 photos. If you're looking for something with 20 photos and additional services, our all-in package is the next level up. It includes 20 photos, a 1.5-minute interior drone video, a 20-item virtual tour, a floor plan, and a 1.5-minute exterior aerial video. This package offers a comprehensive solution to showcase your property from multiple angles. Would you like to know more about the all-in package?
Yeah, how much does that cost?
The all-in package has a discounted price of $581.11, which is a 15% savings compared to the individual services. However, I want to provide you with the most accurate information, so I'll clarify that pricing can vary depending on the specifics of your project. If you'd like to proceed with the all-in package, I can provide you with a more detailed quote.
No, let's go back to just photos. I just want photos and no drone services at all. Just photos.
Let's go back to our basic photography services. If you'd like to add more photos to the 20 included in the basic package, we offer packages with 30 photos for $160 and 40 photos for $192. These packages are straightforward and focus solely on photography without any drone services. Would you like me to explain the difference between these packages or provide more information on the basic package?
No, besides the photographs, is there anything else that it's not drone that you can also do? I just don't want anything flying around. I just want everything. But what other services do you have?
Besides photography, we offer virtual tours, which allow potential buyers to explore your property online. We also provide floor plans, which can be useful for showcasing the layout of your home. However, I should clarify that these services can be combined with photography. For example, our Terra Firma package includes 20 photos, a 20-item virtual tour, and a floor plan, all without drone services.
Got it. And these bundles that don't include drone photography, do they have some sort of discount?
Terra Firma packages do offer a discount. The Terra Firma Plus package, which includes 20 photos, a 20-item virtual tour, and a floor plan, is priced at $301.75, which is a 15% discount. The Terra Firma package, which includes 20 photos and a 20-item virtual tour, is priced at $225.25, also with a 15% discount. Both of these packages do not include drone services.
Got it. Let's say that I did schedule. What happens if I have to cancel the appointment?
If you need to cancel your appointment, please note that cancellations within 24 hours may result in fees or deposit forfeiture, according to our terms and conditions. If you have any further questions or concerns about cancellations, I can provide more information or direct you to our terms and conditions document.
Now, what if there's bad weather or I don't know, an earthquake or some weird thing? Is that a cancellation or?
Bad weather, earthquakes, or any other unforeseen circumstances can impact our ability to complete the shoot. In such cases, we would work with you to reschedule the appointment for a better time. Our standard turnaround time is 1 to 2 days, but special jobs may take longer. We appreciate your understanding and flexibility in such situations.
That's interesting. It picked up consolation. It's so weird. Okay. And what do I have to do to get the house ready for the appointment?
To get your house ready for the photography appointment, there are a few things to consider. Make sure the property is clean and tidy, and that any clutter or personal items are removed. Turn on all the lights to ensure good lighting, and consider replacing any burnt-out bulbs. Also, make sure the lawn is well manicured, and that any outdoor furniture or decorations are neatly arranged. Additionally, please ensure that the property is fully ready before the photographer arrives, and do a final wall walkthrough to check for any last-minute adjustments. This will help ensure that the photos turn out great.
Cool. So what do I do with my pets?
When preparing your home for the photo shoot, it's a good idea to make arrangements for your pets. This could be by taking them to a friend's house, a pet sitter, or even just keeping them in a separate room. You want to minimize any distractions or noise that might interfere with the photography. We want to get the best possible photos of your home, and that means making sure everything is calm and peaceful.
That makes sense. You've been great help. Thank you.
It was my pleasure to assist you. I hope your experience with Eagle Lens Productions is smooth and successful. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask. Good luck with the sale of your home.
I guess I do have one more question. What's the contact information link, or how do I get in touch with you guys?
You can reach us by contacting us at contact@eaglelensproductions.com or by calling us at 832-728-9744. We're also available to answer any questions you may have through our website, but for more complex or specialized inquiries, it's best to reach out to us directly via email or phone.
Nice. And you mentioned that there was a form to help me get ready. You mentioned some of the things I needed to do, but where do I get that form?
The Getting Ready Guide is available on our website. You can find it by visiting h/lensproduction.com/gallery, getting sent in ready sent 0 guide.pdf. This guide provides more detailed information on preparing your property for the photo shoot, and it's a great resource to help you get everything ready.
All right, that was great help. What was your name again?
I think you're trying to be playful. My name is Lumen, and I'm here to help answer any questions you have about our photography services.
All right, you did very well, Lumen. Thank you. Have a good night.
Thank you so much. It was my pleasure to help. I hope you have a great night too, and I wish you the best of luck with selling your home. Good night.
And that, guys, is what I've been working on. Have a good night. See ya.